Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today we're doing a behind the scene footage of Winging On. We're going to have two videos. One is more of an urban feel. So we're going to go ahead and start with the first one, which is basically the business spotlight video that we created. So we'll go ahead and play that now. Also, if you're new to this channel, you might want to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our future tutorials.
Hi, I'm Joe Waters. I'm with Enzo Garro, Parkview Properties.
Hey, what's going on guys? So we're in Stratford, Connecticut today doing another business spotlight. Joe, where are we at today? What are we doing?
So today we're at my good friend Matt and Sarah's Stratford location of Winging On. Matt is the owner, CEO of Winging On. We're gonna go ahead inside, check out some of their more popular wings.
Hey there, I'm Matt and Sarah from Winging On. I founded the original store in 2011, and today we're out in front of our newest store in Stratford, Connecticut. Winging On was a passion of mine since I was a kid, before I even knew I was going to open Winging On. I was always a chicken wing fanatic, cooking up my own flavors since I was 16 years old, writing them down. And then in 2011, I decided to bring great chicken wings to my hometown of Waterbury, Connecticut. Since then, we've expanded to stores throughout Connecticut, New Jersey, and coming soon to the southeastern U.S. in North Carolina, Alabama, and Georgia. So one of the items that really set us apart from early on was our boneless chicken wings. So today we're going to show you how we do those. And what really sets them apart is that we batter every order fresh. So when you order it, you're not getting anything that's stuck in a warmer. We grab that fresh chicken that's been seasoned, throw it right in the flour, and then right into our fryer. And the same thing for our chicken sandwiches. We buttermilk batter it to order and throw it right in the fryer fresh. Never anything that's been sitting under a heat lamp, never anything that's going to be anything less than perfect for our customers.
Yeah, you know, and like I said, I'm pointing to like the desert point from here. I'm trying to point this here. So if I can get my audio and your audio, then we're good.
Yeah.
You know, it might be okay in camera though. All right. Give us a little like up. All right, guys, like that. Because we do everything from filmmaking, and marketing, and we also do tutorials all over the channel. Stupid.